Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we are replacing the engine oil in this Stiga Primo riding lawnmower, and the oil we'll be using is this. It's SAE 30. Tools needed for this is a pair of gloves, a rag, 10mm hex, a 17mm socket on a wrench or a impact, and a catch pan to catch the old oil. We obviously need a floor jack, and we'll come under here and place the jack right underneath the rear axle, transmission, and start pumping away. You don't need to go crazy here. And this might be too much. You just knock the wheels off the ground. Now we can remove this cap. Place the 17mm socket and remove the wheel. Like so. Now we wanna fold the seat forward and lift this engine cover. Right down there is the drain plug, and to get access to that we come in the wheel well. Right here is the access port. Start loosening the plug, and you don't want to forget the catch pan. There we go. Yucky. to drain as much as possible. We can even lower it down further. And we'll let it do its thing. Now we can clean the channel where the oil comes out and down into a hole. Kind of a messy setup this is. Yeah, we can clean the oil plug like so. And we should be able to start it. Making sure not to cross thread. Find the access hole and tighten the plug. Yeah, that's tight. Won't go anywhere. I'm going to continue clean this up a bit more. Okay, now it's time to fill her up. In addition to everything I just showed you, tools and stuff you need, you also need a funnel. Place it right there. And the engine will take just about this whole bottle. Yeah, 1.4 liter. So here goes. I'll leave it right there. I'll start her up and then we check it again and add if needed. Let's see. I'm not sure if you can see. Perhaps just a tad more. Check it again. Hard to show, but it is exactly on the right spot. Nice. Well, that's it. Now it's just a matter of removing this catch pan. Raise her up a bit. That should be enough. Yeah. Don't forget the washer. That's it. And a cap. Let's lower her. Like that. Well, there you have it, folks. Pretty straightforward. Feels good. Now she has fresh oil in her. Small steps and she'll be good to go. And thanks everyone for watching. Remember, like and subscribe, guys. You see me in the next one. See ya.